There's a creature out there. Doesn't run as fast as a horse. It doesn't moo like a cow. Doesn't need fuel. It hauls tons with ease. Looks like it's just lounging, but is actually cooling off with advanced mud-based air conditioning. With horns curved like prehistoric hooks and a body built like a tank, but surprisingly well-mannered. Can you guess who it is? Not a cow, not a rhino, and definitely not a high-tech Japanese tractor. Please give it up for the water buffalo. Tireless worker, no vacation needed. A symbol of resilience across Asia. And a top contender for the title of Chillest plow pusher on the planet. You've seen horses gallop, cows chew, goats climb. But me, I plow through mud like it's a spa day. I'm not flashy, I don't do tricks, but I carry hundreds of kilos, pull plows for hours, and still find time to wallow in style. With a weight of 400 to 1,200 kilograms. Depending on breed and gender, I'm the heavy-duty all-terrain vehicle of the animal kingdom. Unlike cows, I don't complain. I sweat, I hold, and I don't even ask for a raise. To give me some shade in a puddle, and I'm golden. Originally from South and Southeast Asia, I've now spread across Africa, Australia, Europe, and South America. Anywhere people need strength, milk, or majestic mud baths. There are two main types of us. River buffalo, mostly in India, Pakistan, and the Middle East. Darker, sleeker, and milkier. Or swamp buffalo, common in Southeast Asia. Lighter, tougher, and made for plowing muddy fields. There are over 200 million of us worldwide, and we're not just background animals in rice paddies. We're vital to food systems, ecosystems, and local economies. I'm strong enough to pull a plow through flooded fields for hours. Some say I'm slow, and that's true. But would you run fast in thigh-deep mud? I help farmers plant rice, transport goods, and keep rural economies running. Honest, I fertilize the field as I walk. That's right, multitasking. My hooves are wide and splayed, perfect for wet, slippery terrain where machines get stuck and cry for help. I don't panic. I just splooge through with quiet dignity. You might have had cow's milk, goat cheese. But have you tried buffalo mozzarella? That creamy goodness from Italy? Yep, made from water buffalo milk, especially from breeds like the Murat or Italian Mediterranean buffalo. My milk has double the fat content of cow's milk, which means richer taste, more cream, and better cheese. Chefs love it, your taste buds will too. And yes, in some cultures, my meat is eaten too. It's leaner than beef and quite high in iron. My hide, strong, durable, and often used for leather goods. Basically, I'm an all-in-one package. Power, protein, and fashion potential. You might think I'm dirty, but I'm just thermally innovative. Buffaloes don't have sweat glands like you. So we beat the heat by wallowing in mud pools, which regulates body temperature, keeps skin moist, protects from insects, and feels awesome. A good mud bath is like air conditioning and sunscreen combined. Go ahead, judge. But you haven't lived until you've rolled in a swamp at sunset. We're herd animals, usually 10 to 20 in a group. Led by a dominant female, because obviously we stick together, look after our calves. And warn each other of danger with low, throaty grunts. Buffalo calves can stand within 30 minutes of birth and start walking shortly after. Talk about fast learners. Male buffaloes usually leave the herd when they grow up, off to join the bachelor squad. In Asia, I'm a symbol of hard work, prosperity, and patience. I'm featured in festivals, zodiac calendars, and rural art. In India, I star in water fights and bull races. In the Philippines, I'm called Carabao. And I'm even a national hero. In Italy, my milk becomes gourmet cheese that ends up in 5-star restaurants. From rice fields to fine dining, I've made it. I know I'm not glamorous. I don't have stripes like a zebra or elegance like a horse. But I'm built to last, built to help, and built to chill. So next time you see a water buffalo knee-deep in a puddle, staring into space like a monk on a retreat, don't laugh. That's the face of an animal who's worked all day at a village, cooled off in nature's spa, and still looks majestic doing it.
Stingrays are snack pros. Their favorite meals? Crunchy stuff. We are talking clams, mussels, shrimp, and the occasional crab. Anything hiding in the sand? Boom, gone. With mouths on their undersides, they suck in prey like underwater vacuums. Then come the crushing plates. No sharp teeth here, just hard, flat dental armor, perfect for cracking shells like peanuts.